The first app is Pinterest. This is such a great app. Basically what it is you create these boards where you can add whatever you want into them, and like you could search up images. Here are some of my boards. Here's a present idea board, winter vibes, because I'm so excited for winter. I love this app so much because it really helps me stay organized, plan things out. You can find so many great things on Pinterest. Lots of the GIFs I use in my video or those aesthetic images I use actually come from Pinterest. I love this app so much. I use it every single day. It can really help me plan out everything from outfits to video ideas and so much more. This is a great app. I definitely recommend you get it. If you do, follow me, Unicode, for some great boards. Yeah, on to the next app. Okay, now I'm just stalling, but on to the next app, for real this time. The next app is called AudioMac. This is such a great app. Basically, you can download music to listen to offline. I love playing around with this app. I actually get lots of my songs here from TikTok, such as the one I was listening to here. And this is such a great app. You can download music to listen to offline. And yeah, they have so many songs from so many different artists. And you can even upload your own music. So yeah, definitely get this app. On to the next one. This next app is called Brain Test. This is one of my favorite games ever. Basically, there are a bunch of like brain teasers you do. And it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but it really gets you to think outside of the box. I love this game so much. And yeah, I'm going to show you a few levels. Basically, here is one of them where like you have to get the cat from left to right, but you can't just move it backwards. You actually have to move it forwards. This game can be challenging at times, but I definitely recommend it. It's great for when you're bored. For example, this one, They Need Justice, where you're trying to get the ice creams to be the same size. If you don't understand the level, you can click on the little search icon or magnifying glass, and you will get a hint to help you out. You can also skip the level for 50 light bulbs. They have daily challenges, and you can get lots of light bulbs by just doing simple tasks, such as following them on Instagram or watching videos for 25 seconds. And yeah, on to the next app. The next app that you guys need to get is Water Reminder. This app is part of the reason I've been able to drink so much water, especially since the weather is pretty hot, and where I live, there's a bunch of smoke in the air, so you need to stay hydrated. And you can add how much water you drink a day. I don't really use it for that. I mainly use it for the hourly reminders. But it's a pretty good app, and you should definitely get it. Anywho, on to the next app. The next app that you need is Piggy Goals or Piggy Bank. Basically, this app is great for saving up money. I'm currently trying to save up for a trip to Disneyland since I've been seeing so many TikToks about it and I want to go so badly. Here I am completely not knowing how much a trip for Disneyland is, so I just put like a high amount of money, like $5,000. I could be way off, but who knows. And I'm trying to go for my birthday, which is November 10th. And yeah, I'm saving up money, and if you guys want to help, don't skip those apps so I get paid. Anywho, you can basically add how often you'd like to save. Since I'm on the free version, because I'm not about to pay money to save money, I did weekly, and basically, for example, I have $14 now. That's just an example. So you save. Next app is Hidden Game. This is such a fun app. I showed it in my past videos, but it's still super good. I love it so much. Basically, you're a boy whose mother took his game, and you're trying to find out where the mom hid it. It's kind of like another one of those think outside the box games. There are a bunch of challenges you have to do, and it's just so fun. I love the overall aesthetic of this. Like, it's so cute. And yeah, on to the next app, I guess. Or let me see if I can win this. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna win this level. So on to the next app. The next app is Subway Surfers. I love this game so much. I used to play it all the time, well, my brother did too, but I recently got it again because it has been blowing up on TikTok. Comment down below if you have TikTok. My user is up on the screen. Feel free to follow me. And it's such a fun game. Basically, you're getting chased by a police officer and his dog, and you have to escape, and you're on the subway. You know, you collect coins and power-ups. It's kind of self-explanatory. I don't know why. It's such a simple game, but it's so fun to play. I love it so much, and you should definitely get this game. It works without Wi-Fi too, which is great for people like me whose Wi-Fi sucks. So yeah, on to the next app. The next app I'm going to be showing you is Watch. This is such a great app. Basically, you can watch tons of free movies on it. You don't need a credit card or anything. All you need to do is add the server huhu.to, and you have so many free shows you can browse from now. And this is such a great app. Definitely recommend. I'm pretty sure it's legal too, but yeah, I'm just gonna say it's legal. It's such a great app. On to the next one. The final app I have for you guys today is Tokaboka Hair Salon. I have been obsessed with this app ever since I downloaded it for my, what was it? I think it was 2 weeks ago's video, or a week ago. I can't even keep track of my own videos anymore, but I love this game so much. Basically, you are a hair salonist, stylist, hairdresser. I don't know, what do you call them? I think hairdresser. You get to pick up people, I saw, and you can style their hair. You can't do their makeup, but you need to pay $49. I'm not about to do something. So I did what I did. Yeah, I'm brushing their hair with the comb. Well, I guess I'm combing their hair. I really like the amount of things you can do. Here I am brushing it out. Then I'm going to dye her hair. I kind of went for like a Wendy inspired look. I'm not really lush channel. I really used to love her so much. I still do, but not as much anymore. But basically, I'm dyeing her hair blonde with some pink and then some blue and purple. I've actually always wanted to do my hair like this. I don't know how to dye your hair without real hair dye. Here's the finished look. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a like, subscribe, and don't skip ads. Share this video with your friends and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and also enter my giveaway. You'll see it after the